Hello everyone, and this is Chris with Vance's Aerial Imaging. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different with the drone. I'm going to be flying higher than I normally fly at. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to be flying at the Williams Tower located at 2800 Post Oak Boulevard in Houston, Texas. The Williams Tower is not a downtown building. It is a part of the Galleria District, but this building is 901 feet high. It is the largest building in the United States to be outside of a central business district. It is also referred to as the Empire State Building of the South. With that being said, let's get in the air and check out this architectural masterpiece. Well, that was a fun and challenging flight. I sure hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out this channel. Thank you for your continued support and helping me develop and grow this channel. Before I close this video out, I'd like to send a shout out to two YouTubers. One is Aviation Wings and the other is Old Bones Drone Pilot. Their links will be in the description. Please check their content out. It is really good. Please give them some love and support. With that being said, this is Vance's Aerial Imaging, signing off.